Troy Cockham with Windsor Distributing Incorporated. So interestingly enough, I listened to AM radio almost all day long while driving around. I heard you guys had a commercial on WHP out of Harrisburg, and I remembered the name and gave you a call. Okay, so we had a 40-year-old roof, and it had been coated twice, and the fasteners were nails, old-fashioned nails, and they were just shot. They were completely done, weren't doing their job anymore.
So Troy had this old metal roof. The immediate problem was that it was leaking in multiple places, both in the warehouse as well as in the actual store. So he's like, hey, I need something done with my roof. So I asked him, what have you done already? What have you tried? Have you gotten other quotes? He said, yeah, I've gotten other quotes. At least one other quote was for a coating. And he's like, I could build a new building for the cost of that quote.
Yes, I got 2 other quotes from 2 other counties, if it's, odd enough. One of the quotes I got was for recoating, and it was just so astronomical that it was just something we couldn't even do. And he just recommended. He said, you shouldn't really coat this one more time. He said, it needs to be replaced. And oddly enough, the replacement was less than the coating, so we definitely went with you guys.
Got up on the roof and found out that the old fasteners were backing out of the metal, and the metal had been coated at least twice. So once you coat a roof, it's pretty tough to try to recoat it because that original coating starts flaking off. So you really have to clean that off entirely before you try a new coating. I gave him the quote for a new metal roof, and he liked the idea of ripping it all off instead of trying to requote it. And we solved the problem by ripping the old metal off, making sure we took care of all the fasteners and pounded down all the nails or pulled them out so we've got clean stuff to work with.
Well, you guys showed up on time, and you guys worked really, really fast. Very professional, very kind, and you guys did a great job really, really quick.
It was great working with Troy. It was super simple. He allowed me to do what we need to do with the lift and the dumpster, and it's great.
So would you recommend Joyland to anybody?
Absolutely. You guys were professional. You guys came in with the best budget, and you guys did just such a good job, and you did it really quick.